Welcome back to the Design Studio. We're very busy working on some gifts and so many orders have been coming up. So we've got so many orders and we're busy going to be packaging them, selecting them and sending them out. So you'll see that I'll be working in the studio while I'll be packaging some of the orders, and I'll also be selecting some of the gifts, and some of them I'll be choosing what to go depending on what my clients' wishes are. So I have a client list, and my clients sometimes require special gifts that I have to actually gift wrap and deliver. So I'm working on that now, and I'm selecting a few of the gifts, and I think some of them are going to be scarves, some of the jewelry, and I'm going to have a very exclusive assortment of jewelry, an exclusive assortment of silk scarves, and sometimes a combination of silk and cotton. So if you really there and you're thinking about what should I buy my friends and family this holiday season, don't forget to think about Aciero Design Studio. Or at Aciero we can offer all gifts you would like. Just give us a call or check out our website and order whatever you think is preferable. If you need any assistance in picking out the right present for the right person, just give us a call. Number is down below, or just contact us through our website. We'll be able to help you out, and we're going to continue like working in our studio and trying to make you happy. And thank you very much to all my supporters and clients for supporting me and ordering from my design studio, and we'll see you soon. Thank you very much and see you next week.